Good morning, children. Today we are going to see a new lesson in supplementary, the fight. So, the word fight means a lot. So, you all would have been very much familiar with this fight. What is fight? Fight is like you will be fighting for some reasons or shouting or you will be having some kind of quarreling with each other, right? So this is what is fight. It's not that it's going to be only within two known persons. It can be with unknown persons also. You children, you would have fought with your mother, with your sister, and with your friends too. So by this time you would have a lot of memories with this fight. But at the last there will be a very good bonding at the end of each fight. So in this lesson also we are going to see one such fight which was happened between two persons. The two persons here is one is Ranji and another is Suraj. These two persons had a fight. So let's see why they fought with each other and what was the reason behind and what happened at the end of the fight. So this is all is about the lesson, and this lesson is written by Ruskin Bond. He was an Indian writer with British descent. So he was being awarded Padma Shri Award and Padma Bhushan Award, Sahitya Akademi Award also. So this is all about the author. So let's enter into the lesson today. So the very first part, we are going to see in the first part what happened between these two and where the fight have been initiated and was the fight have ended in this part. We'll see Ranji. Ranji is a boy who was in a Rajputana. So over there, he have not enjoyed much in that place. So they moved to a new place. In that new place, he was not able to find friends. So he roamed. That is, he wandered here and there aimlessly. At last, what happened? He went inside a forest and he found a pool over there. He loved swimming. So in the pool, he enjoyed swimming and he started enjoying swimming in that pool all alone. He doesn't mind swimming alone in the pool. Ranji enjoyed swimming in the pool because when he was in Rajputana, over there the pool was not at all a clear water. It was a muddy water where the buffaloes enjoyed in that pool, and the ladies over there, they used to wash their clothes, and he felt the pool was not as clear as how he found here. The pool, what he saw in the forest, it was so clear, that is so transparent. He was able to see the pebbles down in the deep inside the water. So he loved and he enjoyed swimming in the pool. And after swimming, what he did is he went near the rock, which was the rock was under a sal tree. So he was lying over there, and on and off he was going for swimming and he was taking rest over there. So this was happened on the first day when he saw the pool. The very next day, again, he was rushing. He wants to swim in the pool. So the next day also, he wants to go to the pool for swimming. Very next day, when he went to the pool, he swam and he saw a person who came over there, a stranger. The stranger is the person Suraj. So he came over there and he said, "The pool is mine. Who are you? Why you have entered?" So now Ranji, he was surprised by listening like the pool is all his. When he listened to this bird, he was very much surprised by his words. But still, Ranji doesn't want to leave this pool. There was a very big argument between these two peoples. That is the Suraj and Ranji. So what they done is, that is the discussion went on. But Ranji, he doesn't want to leave the pool. So now Suraj, he doesn't want Ranji to enter into the pool. So now Suraj, he started to tell about himself. So Pahalwan. That is, he was a very strong person, but Ranji, he looked very weak. So Suraj said about himself that he was a warrior. Now Ranji, he doesn't want to be less underestimated, and he said about himself as a fighter. So they were started to quarrel each other. That is, talk about and the discussion continued, and at last what Suraj did is he raised his palm. That is palm, and he was almost about to slap Ranji. Ranji said, even I was expecting for that. When you will start. So immediately after listening to this, Ranji, that is Suraj, he slapped Ranji. So Suraj's fingers, his complete fingers was there in Ranji's cheeks. That reddishness was there in his cheeks. Here the fight started. They were rolling over and they were fighting, and almost they were inside the shallow of the pool. Over there also they have not stopped the fight. The fight continued. So they both of them doesn't want to give up, even though they both were not that much strong enough to continue the fight. They doesn't want to give up their defeat. They continued the fight. So they were rolling and rolling. So at last they came to a conclusion that they will continue the fight tomorrow again. They will continue the fight. So they doesn't want to end this fight. They want to come to a conclusion because they want the pool to be one person's. That is, Suraj doesn't want to give up the pool to Ranji. So Suraj thinks that the pool belongs to himself alone. So Ranji doesn't want to listen to Suraj. So Ranji also wants to enjoy the pool. Since he loves swimming a lot, he doesn't want to give up with Suraj. This is all about the part 1. So far what we have seen is, we have seen how the fighters initiated and what was the reason behind the fight. The main reason behind the fight is only the pool which Ranji discovered in the forest. So what is the reason behind it? Suraj, he wants the pool all for himself. He doesn't want to share the pool with Ranji. Do you think it's a fair one? Does a forest pool belong to one single person? Definitely no. It can be shared to the people who were around. So this is what the initiation for the fight, and now the fight is going to get carried forward to the another day also. So it's not ended over here. Since they were tired, they left and they said it will be continued, and at the end also Suraj said, this pool is mine. I'm not ready to give it to you. So this is all about part 1. So in part 2, so now you all know after a fight how you will be. That too, they were rolling and they were fighting, and Suraj slapped Ranji, right? And I said he got reddishness in his cheeks. If you go as such, what your mother will do? Definitely she will be asking about what happened, right? So the same way, do you think Ranji can hide that which was there in the face? It's not at all possible. So Ranji, he was not able to hide it. Ranji felt very weak because already he looks weak compared to Suraj. So he was very weak. So Ranji went home. Ranji's mom saw how Ranji was. So he doesn't want Ranji to leave outside. He wants him to stay in house. So on that day evening, Ranji went to bazaar. So over there, he had some lemonade and he had some hot jalebis in the banana leaf. So Ranji, he was sitting on a table and he was having this. So when he was sitting on a table, he saw the strange person whom he met in the pool. So who was the person who met in the pool? His name is Suraj. So he saw the person. Now he wanted to do something. He wanted to take revenge on the stranger, but he doesn't know how to. So he decided, let me take the lemonade bottle and throw on the stranger. But at last he decided, but he doesn't want to do. He have not done it. Apart from that, what he done it? He just scowled. Scowled is nothing. Looked angrily at the stranger. The same way Suraj also looked angrily and they both passed. That is, Suraj crossed Ranji. So the evening went. So what is going to happen the next day morning? It's going to be another fresh day started with a fight, right? So the fight is going to get started and now we are going to see for whom the pool is going to belong, right? So here what has happened is the very next day came, Ranji went to the pool and then Suraj came. Ranji went and he started to enjoy the pool. He loved diving and he enjoyed swimming. He used to go any number of times around the pool. So as how before he was enjoying swimming, there came Suraj. Suraj, he was very much fond on the pool and he doesn't want to share the pool with Ranji. This is what the initiation for the fight. So as the same, he doesn't want Ranji to enter the pool. So when Ranji was about to dive, Ranji said, let's continue the fight. Swim and follow me. Now Suraj, he doesn't know swimming. He said to Ranji, you know swimming. So now Ranji said, yes, I know. Now Ranji, he dived in front of Suraj. Suraj was very much eager to learn how to dive. So now the fight is going to get deviated and it's going to go in a different direction. The fight is not going to get continued. As I said, always at the end of the fight there will be a very good bonding. So now we are going to see what is going to happen. So now Ranji said, yes, I do. I know dive. I do very good diving and I know swimming too. So now Suraj, he wants to learn that from Ranji. So Ranji, he never hesitated. He called Suraj, come, I will teach you. And he encouraged Suraj, even though what happened, when the very first time when he tried to dive, he jumped into the water and the water splashed completely outside. Ranji said, what are you trying to do? Are you gushing the water out of the pool? So now Ranji, he taught him the way and the tricks how to dive and swim. So Suraj, he was also very much interested to learn how to dive and swim. He was very much keen to learn these from Ranji and he listened whatever Ranji said. And Ranji, even though Suraj slammed on Ranji's cheek, Suraj was very kind. He taught Ranji and he encouraged Ranji each and every time when he failed to do it. So Suraj helped Ranji. Now they both were very much tired. Because now the fought have changed to a kind of a friendship. They started to exchange and learn among themselves what is known. So Ranji is teaching swimming to Suraj. So this is what is happening. So now they are tired. So what they did is, as how Ranji used to take rest, he went near the rock and there was two rocks. On one rock Ranji was sitting and another rock Suraj was still sitting. They both were having a conversation. So Suraj now, he was asking to Ranji, see, how am I looking? Am I looking like a Balwan? So as I said in the beginning, Suraj was a very strong boy compared to Ranji. Ranji was a weak boy. So Suraj said, might be you would not be eating properly. So you can come with me. We have cows and you can drink milk. You can join with me. I will make you like a Balwan as like me. So here comes the bonding. So before what happened, whatever is known to Ranji, that is Ranji knew swimming very well. Ranji was very much eager to teach the swimming to Suraj. Now Suraj, he wants to do something to Ranji in return. So what Suraj did is, he said to Ranji, I'll make you very good friends. Always, always, it's not that a fight will end till the end as a fight. Always at the end, there will be a very good bonding which will happen between each other. So here in this story, you have seen two persons. They were very much, that is, they were rolling and fighting with each other, and it was a very big fight, and it got extended to the second day also, and they continued. But the second day scenario was completely different. So now the second day, we cannot tell it's a fight. It's a kind of a bonding. It's a kind of a friendship. So the fight always gives a very good relationship and a bonding between each other with whom it has happened. This is all about the story, the fight. I hope you children would have enjoyed this lesson. We'll meet in another session with a different lesson. Thank you, my dear children.